very warm welcome, everybody. Today we are reading chapter number 6 that talks about using your thoughts to influence your emotions from this amazing book, Master Your Emotions. All right, let me very quickly share the screen with you so that we can read it together. I hope the screen is visible. Using your thoughts to influence your emotions. You become what you think all about all day long. That is a massive bulb on for me since I read this line. What you think, so shall you become. जो जैसी जैसे विचार वैसी प्रवृत्ति, जैसी प्रवृत्ति वैसी समथिंग इट इज कॉल्ड इन हिंदी में भी कुछ है इसका, जैसी स्मृति वैसी प्रवृत्ति या तो जैसा आप सोचोगे वैसे आप बन जाओगे. सो यू हैव टू take care of how you think, what you think, because emotions are generated by thoughts. पहले एक थॉट आता है, थॉट से हम एक स्टोरी बनाते हैं, स्टोरी से एक फीलिंग आती है और वो फीलिंग जब बढ़ जाती है तो वो इमोशन बन जाता है. Now, how can we use thoughts to influence our emotions? Let's read. Your thoughts define who you are and create your reality. That's why you should channel your thoughts towards what you want, not what you don't want. As the success expert Brian Tracy says, the key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire, not things we fear. तो लॉ ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन भी हम लोगों ने बहुत, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक्स, ये सब बहुत हमने सुनी है अराउंड अस, राइट? और उसके अंदर, सबके अंदर क्या बोलते हैं, सबसे पहले आपको अपनी फीलिंग्स के ऊपर, आपके इमोशंस पे काम करना है. एंड वो इमोशंस पे आप कैसे काम कर सकते हो? फर्स्ट बाय चैनलाइजिंग योर इमोशंस, योर थॉट्स इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. बहुत सारे लोग इस दुनिया में देखे गए हैं जो हमेशा यही बोलते रहते हैं कि मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास नहीं है, ये नहीं है. हाउ अबाउट स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन व्हाट ऑल डू वी हैव, सो दैट वो जो हमारे पास है वो ही हमारी लाइफ में और बढ़ता जाए, इंस्टेड कि जो हमारे पास है ही नहीं हम उसके पीछे पड़े रहे कि नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है, एंड दैट कम्स टू कि वो और ही नहीं है. वो इट वी आर पुशिंग इट अवे फ्रॉम आवरसेल्व्स. व्हाट डू दे से इन ग्रैटिट्यूड? द मोर you are grateful, the more whatever you are grateful for, it is going to come a lot more in your life. And what you are ungrateful for, sorry boss, you're pushing it away even more. The benefits of meditation. In Buddhism, the mind is often referred to as the monkey mind because Buddhists believe human thoughts are similar to a monkey relentlessly swinging through the trees. They are all over the place and never seem to stop. Meditation helps tame the monkey and cure it of restlessness. As you meditate, you become aware of the incessant flow of thoughts popping into your mind. With practice, you learn to distance yourself from thoughts, reducing their power and their impact. As a result, you will experience less negative emotions and feel more at peace. So this is a very beautiful analogy which I would say कि हमारा दिमाग जो है उसके अंदर जो थॉट्स हैं, they keep jumping as if there is a monkey who is swinging from one branch to another. Isn't that true? We think more than 60,000 thoughts every single day. उन थॉट्स को हमारे को ठीक कैसे करना है? हाउ डू वी काम दोस थॉट्स सो दैट हमारे को नेगेटिवली इफेक्ट ना करें? फॉर दैट द बेस्ट मेडिसिन यू कैन एवर थिंक ऑफ इज मेडिटेशन. जब आप मेडिटेशन करते हो, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू व्हेन यू सिट फॉर मेडिटेशन, ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज let the emotions, let the thoughts float higher and let them float away as well. Do not cling on to any of the thoughts, any of the emotions. Because when you do that, then you again stay in the loop of thoughts. But once you let go of them, when you're sitting, something is coming in front of you and it's just going and just going. It won't take a lot of energy from you. आपने कभी देखा है कि जब आप कार में कहीं जा रहे होते हो तो आप अगर व्हीकल्स बाहर देखो तो ऑल द व्हीकल्स आर आल्सो मूविंग एंड योर व्हीकल इज आल्सो मूविंग, राइट? पर अगर आप एक ही जगह पे अपनी आंख को एक ही व्हीकल पे जो रहा के रखते हो तो यू गो लाइक दिस, यू गो लाइक दिस, इट इज सो स्ट्रेसफुल. But when you're just thinking and with flow, you are just driving and driving and everything is passing, passing, passing. How easy it gets now. It is not a strain to your eyes. Likewise, when you hold on to thoughts, when you hold on to such things, what are you doing? You're straining your mind as well. Hello, Pranavi. Thank you for joining in.
Hi, Karishma. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So today's, chapter is a very short chapter, which is talking about how, using your thoughts to influence your emotions. And it is very rightly said that जो आप सोचते हो वैसे आप बन जाते हो. Would you agree with it? Pranavi, let's hear it from you.
You're asking me to read, Karishma?
No, no, no. I'm asking you कि do you believe that जैसा आप सोचते हो वैसा आप बन जाते हो?
Yeah, but you mean to say whatever you believe, whatever you believe, it happens or something like that? You're asking?
Sorry, I did not get your question.
Could you repeat the question again, if you don't mind, Karishma?
So what I am saying is, what you think, so shall you become. Do you agree with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to share any example or any, metaphor, or how do you make yourself understand this?
Uh, yes, from past 1 week, I'm working on a certain purpose. Like I need to finish few tasks to to reach that happy condition and all. So yeah, after giving a strong thought, now I'm able to work on it.
Wow. It is also said that, हमारे जो thoughts होते हैं ना वो monkey mind. It is considered, our thoughts are metaphorically related to monkeys. क्योंकि जैसे monkey swing करते रहते हैं ना from one place to one branch to another, that's how
Yeah,
our thoughts are. They keep on swinging day in, day out. We have at least, what I remember, the number that I remember is 60,000 thoughts every single day. And what
yes,
I was just talking about before you joined in was ki, if we hold on to our thoughts and keep on thinking and thinking, it is going to become a very big loop. And to stop that thinking pattern, is the best medicine for it is meditation. What happens is कि जब हम कार में कहीं जा रहे होते हैं, जस्ट लाइक यू आर गोइंग राइट नाउ, राइट? अगर आप बाहर
yes,
किसी भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट को, कार को या ट्री को देखते हो और उसके ऊपर कंसंट्रेट करते हो, यू लेट यू कीप ऑन लुकिंग एट इट आगे से लेके पीछे तक टिल इट पासेस ऑफ, डू यू सी कि कितना स्ट्रेन हो जाता है आंखों पे? बट इफ यू जस्ट सिट एंड लेट देम पास विदाउट एनी focus on the any of the single object, you will see it becomes so relaxing and so soothing for the eyes to, just enjoy the ride.
exactly, exactly.
So
You
that is,
depicted it very well, Karishma. I mean, you just tried to explain that condition in simple terms. That's really nice.
thank you. So that is exactly what meditation does. जब आप meditation करते हो, and when you will see that all your negative emotions, all your suppressed emotions, all your thoughts will start floating here. And all of a sudden you will start remembering, अरे ये करना था, वो करना था, हो उसने मुझे ये कहा था, I feel so bad and this and that. If you let them just pass, just like the road that you're looking at right now, it will be so much easier, calmer, soother. And if you hold on to any of the thoughts, you will become so restless and you will become so tired in your head that you will not be able to sit anymore in the meditation, and you will say कि अभी मैं इसको बताती हूँ. अच्छा मैं पहले ये काम कर लूं फिर बैठती हूँ। एंड डू बी ऑनेस्ट, इज इट पॉसिबल कि आपका काम कभी खत्म होगा? नेवर। एंड टू
Never. Yes.
एंड टू स्टॉप दिस मंकी माइंड, we have to do meditation. That is the best solution that the that I find, as well as the author has shared as well. And there is also one more thing that I would like to add here is कि जो भी हमारे thoughts होते हैं, whether they are negative or positive, they never come alone. They always come into bunches. जैसे अगर हमारे घर में एक चूहा आ जाता है तो हमारे बड़े सारे चूहे दिखने शुरू हो जाते हैं ऑल ऑफ अ सडन घर में, राइट? वैसे ही अगर एक नेगेटिव थॉट आता है तो इट ब्रिंग्स आउट लॉट्स ऑफ अदर नेगेटिव थॉट्स, उसके पीछे 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 बहुत सारी लाइन बन जाती है कि अच्छा तुमने ये किया, अच्छा ऐसा भी हुआ था, ऐसा भी हुआ था, ऐसा भी हुआ था, टू गिव ऑल द रेफरेंसेस दैट वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ द सामने वाला पर्सन इज रॉन्ग. एंड इफ यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग गुड अबाउट somebody, one thought of good, then it keeps on giving more evidences behind, and all the loop of positive thoughts start happening. जो हमारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स होते हैं, दे ब्रिंग अस इनटू नेगेटिव इमोशन, दैट इज बैड इमोशंस, that bring us down, bring us energy down. And the first step to shift is the moment you feel a negative thought, know for yourself how to turn it into a positive one. Otherwise, you will get into the loop of this negative process. Pranavi,
Yes.
feel free to share what you wish to say.
Nothing. I was just trying to analyze what you're telling, and I have learned a new thing that if you get any kind of negative thought, you need to immediately be aware of it, and try to reframe it or reconstruct it in a positive way, so that we can stop the traffic of that negative thoughts. So I'm just trying to analyze that.
So I will give you a story. I don't
Yeah.
know if you have heard of it or not, but I have shared multiple times. मतलब कि जो कोई भी आ रहा होगा इस सेशन में कभी भी, है ना, उसको ये स्टोरी पता होगी. But since you are only in this room, I will share it once again. So there was one morning that I got up late. It was a winter morning. I had to send. I have three kids, and तीनों को स्कूल जाना था. One of it is now not there, so it is like this story is around 5 years back story. वो मे भी,
Okay.
ठीक है. तो मैं सुबह लेट उठती हूँ, and all of a sudden I realize, oh my God, I am 15 minutes late. And मुझको ड्रेसअप करना है. My kitchen is on ground floor, my bedroom is on second floor. So I have to dress up, I have to go make lunch for my kids, I have to wake each kid up because हर 20 मिनट का चैनल है. I have only one bathroom, तो हर 20 minutes के बाद I have to wake another child. ठीक है. और 15 मिनट I have already lost on my calendar. अभी I start feeling so frustrated. शिट यार, लेट हो गया, अब मैं क्या करूंगी, कैसे तैयार करूंगी बच्चों को, लंच नहीं बनेगा, ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं बनेगा, व्हाट विल आई गिव, दिस एंड दैट. माय हस्बैंड इज स्लीपिंग. आई लुक एट हिम एंड आई फील इसकी जिंदगी अच्छी है, ये तो कुछ करता ही नहीं है. एंड देन while ड्रेसिंग अप आई स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इसकी जिंदगी अच्छी है से, ये तो मुझसे प्यार ही नहीं करता. इसकी इच्छा होती तो ये मेरे को सेकंड फ्लोर पे एक किचन बना के दे देता. ही हैज इनफ मनी, व्हाई डजंट ही डू दिस फॉर मी? By the time I wake up the first child, she gets out of shower, the second child goes in. I plan ki okay, I told my first child ki okay, once you're ready and Angel is out of the bathroom, ask the third one to wake up because I'm getting late. I need to go downstairs to make the food. While I'm going off the stairs, what starts coming in? ये मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता है, ये मेरे को टाइम भी नहीं देता है. पक्की गारंटी ये मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता. शादी से पहले तो मम्मी ने बोला ही था कि ये बिजनेसमैन है, ही विल नॉट हैव टाइम फॉर यू एंड यू सीक टाइम, you love time of people. He's not going to be with you. You will feel frustrated. You will not like this marriage. मुझे नहीं पता, मेरे को ये आदमी मेरे को कोई ना सुख देता है, ना मुझसे प्यार करता है, ना मुझको टाइम देता है. जो मर्जी हो जाए, मैं इसके साथ नहीं रहूंगी. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव हिम डाइवोर्स. दिस इज वेयर आई रीच व्हेन आई रीच द किचन. किचन में मैंने खाना बना दिया, बच्चों को बच्चों को स्कूल भेज दिया. बच्चे चले गए, मेरा हस्बैंड बच्चों को स्कूल के बस स्टॉप पे छोड़ के आया. एंड व्हेन ही कम्स बैक होम, करिश्मा इज सिटिंग लाइक, क्या हुआ, चाय दे दे. मैं नहीं दूंगी, मुझसे बात मत करो. क्या हो गया, अभी तो ठीक थी, बच्चों को स्कूल भेज रही थी, मुझसे बात ही मत करो. आज मुझको आपसे बात नहीं करनी है. You don't love me? I don't want to be in this marriage anymore. And my husband is like, क्या हुआ है? ऐसा क्या हो गया भाई? मैंने क्या कर दिया? किसी ने कुछ कह दिया? क्या हो गया? I am living in my head. I am making story after story. All these thoughts take me so low कि I'm telling I don't want to stay with you anymore. एंड मैंने इसको बैठ के बाद में एनालाइज किया व्हेन आई वाज आई फाउंड इट वेरी फनी बट चलो उस टाइम पे तो पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है बट वाइल ऑन दिस जर्नी ऑफ सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट दिस स्टोरी स्टेड विद मी फॉर लॉन्ग कि हाँ ऐसे ऐसे मेरे को थॉट आ गया एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई रिमेम्बर इट स्टिल राइट तो व्हेन आई वांटेड टू शिफ्ट द स्टोरी दिस वाज द फर्स्ट स्टोरी दैट आई पिक्ड आई वाज लाइक यार उस दिन अगर मैं सुबह उठी होती एंड आई वुड हैव थॉट कि अरे यार आज तो बड़ी अच्छी नींद आई थी ऐसा क्या करूं कि कल मैं ठीक टाइम पे उठ जाऊं और ये नींद भी मिल जाए मेरे को हाउ अबाउट इंस्टेड ऑफ वन अलार्म आई पुट 5-6 अलार्म्स की बजता ही रहे मैं उठ ही जाऊंगी एंड दूसरा सोल्यूशन ये भी हो सकता है कि मैं कल से ना इंस्टेड ऑफ स्लीपिंग एट 12 आई स्लीप एट 11 एक घंटा एक्स्ट्रा मुझे मिल जाएगा 10 मिनट भी नहीं एक घंटा एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाएगा सोने को बड़ा मजा आएगा अगर मैं उस थॉट को वहीं पे रोक के इसमें कन्वर्ट कर देती तो मैं तो डाइवोर्स नहीं दे रही थी ना
Exactly.
That's how I see this loop happening. Now see for yourself कि आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा क्या क्या होता है जिसके अंदर वो लूप्स क्रिएट हो जाते हैं.
True, true, practically true.
All right, let's go ahead with what we were reading.
Yeah.
So the benefits of visualization this book is talking about.
What is the name of the book you're continuing, Karishma?
Master your emotions.
Emotions. And during the night reading is also the same book, right?
No. At night we are reading this one, The Courage to Be Disliked.
Okay. Sorry, I thought that during the night itself we were reading that and replaced with this. Okay, yeah.
There are things that will, so this is one thing that I've seen that people who are joining जब मर्जी they feel कि अरे ये वहां पे क्या था यहाँ पे कुछ अलग context हो गया क्या हो गया and there are times when the things are already the same as well but
see, I'm a systematic person only, Karishma, but then these times, one of my in my community, one lady has passed away, so it's been third or fourth day, I guess. So she is a doctor actually, but then she went for a vacation and she courageously jumped into Tungabhadra river and she passed away.
oh
So that's really disturbing me a lot. So I'm just doing things here and there, and at times I'm feeling down. Ki how can a 26 years old doctor can do this and all that stuff. So it has come up in the media also. So little bit feeling low, like how can those educated peoples also make such stupidest acts and all that stuff. So yeah, maybe I'll just get right within few days and I can be on time.
it's
Karishma.
okay so the thing with emotions is that if you push them or if you suppress them what happens is just like a bottle of coke push एकदम से ऐसे करके होगा so if when you stop a pendulum from moving
Yeah.
it's okay when you stop a pendulum from moving तो आप उसको छोड़ अगर उसको पकड़ लेते हो तो what happens जैसे ही आप छोड़ते हो तो वो और तेज की स्विंग करता है
Yes.
that is the same with emotions you have to acknowledge them you have to feel them and then you have to let them pass
True.
so it's okay to feel the way you are feeling right now.
Yes.
Let's read about the benefits of visualization. Did you know your subconscious can't clearly distinguish between the real experiences from the fake ones? Did you know that?
Yes, I have an idea about it, Karishma.
This means you can trick your mind to stimulating desired experiences through visualization. The more details you visualize, the more your brain will interpret the experience as real. So normally when law of attraction happens, when manifestation techniques happen, what do they say? they tell you to visualize कि आपने क्या पहना है, what is all that you can see around you, what is it that you can smell, what is it that you are hearing, what is it that you are feeling, is there anything that you can somewhere around you that you can taste it, how does it feel. They make you go into bit bit of details. Why? Because जो आप visualize करते हो ना, if it is very detailed, your mind gets कंफ्यूज, उसको नहीं पता चलता, उसको पता ही नहीं चलता कि ये वो है रियलिटी है कि इज इट जस्ट मेकिंग अप स्टोरी. By using visualization to elicit positive feelings such as gratitude, excitement, or joy, you can condition your mind to experience more positive emotions. As we will see in more depth in this section, conditioning your mind. So, conditioning your mind is a chapter, I think, a little later in the book. But right now, this is what it is. Iske aage we will be going into more depths of, how to actually make your mind, trick your mind, I would say, into thinking what we wish to achieve in life. So this was about, using your thoughts to influence your emotions. So आप ये कर सकते हो कि when you start visualizing the way you are thinking positively, you start becoming positive. You start thinking positive and your mind gets tricked कि हाँ भैया यही reality है. How you tell a lie to a child कि बेटा भगवान जी ने बेबी दिया था तुम वहां से आए. यू डोंट टेल योर 3-4 years old child कि हाउ डज द बेबी कम, है ना. एंड यू कीप ऑन टेलिंग द चाइल्ड कि हाँ बेटा हम मंदिर गए थे, हमने पूजा करी, गॉड गेव अस बेबी पम्प, एंड उसके बाद बेबी आ गया, हॉस्पिटल गए बेबी को लेके आ गए. You keep telling the story and the child also keeps telling the story to himself and he does not know the difference between the reality or the this thing. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको तो वही स्टोरी पता है और उसको 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 उसने मान लिया.
Yes.
Right? So that is what we need to do with our thoughts when we feel emotions that are not serving us. If I feel overwhelmed with the kind of, to-do list that I make, that is like, पूरा page भरा हुआ है, and if I get overwhelmed, is it going to serve me? No. What do? I visualize कि मेरा एक काम हो गया, फिर मैंने दूसरे पे फोकस किया, दूसरा हो गया, फिर मेरा तीसरा हो गया, अरे वाह, by the end of the day I'm so happy that I've achieved all. With the result, what happens? I keep my energy high. एक एक का टिक होना, जब एक I cross out one thing that is done, I feel so happy. I'm like, wow, ऐसे ही तो feel हुआ था.
True.
And that's how you do it. On that note, we'll end this session right here. And tomorrow we will be reading about using your words to influence your emotions, because words have amazing power. The kind of words you use, the vocabulary you use, brings a massive shift in your life. Just to give an example, I would say, I am feeling overwhelmed. अरे बड़ा heavy word है, सच्ची में.
Yeah, you feel pressurized listening to that word. I mean, you can feel that.
Yes. And what if I say, wow, I have a good list and I am going to be a great achiever today.
It's giving you a certain hope and positivity towards solving those tasks.
Yes. And list though remains the same. List is not changing. How
Yeah.
I use my words to keep my energy high is what matters the most. And we will be reading about it tomorrow.
Okay. So, Karishma, it's going to be a half an hour session or something like that?
Not really. It depends on the, length of the chapter. Today's chapter was really short. It was just 1.5 pages. Tomorrow's session will be a little longer than that because it is 2 pages.
हाँ ये हो जाए पहले.
So I am assuming 45 minutes at least लगेंगे कल के session को.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay. I'll just, now I think I should be in the mode of visualizing things that I would do it as per the, At times we do have disturbances even in our lives also, no, Karishma. Of course, that lady is nowhere related to me, but then as a doctor, how can she jump into the water just like that? And it's a common sense, no, that like how a river Tungabhadra looks and it's a rocky area and all that stuff.
Yeah.
And from past 2 days, the mom was crying and all that I've seen. So I was just away from my schedule. Otherwise, I'll keep my schedule back to back. So
Okay, so life happens. Okay.
yeah, but that's so
Uh,
painful for a mother, you know.
I know, I can feel the pain here, because
Yeah,
oh,
few things can't be saved out. Yeah, you believe karma or the karmic effects, Karishma?
I do.
You do.
The
Okay.
law of karma.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice talking to you, dear. See you
Thank
tomorrow
you.
then. Yeah.
Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, Pranavi. Have a
Yeah. Yeah.
wonderful day ahead. Have
Yeah.
take
Yeah.
hot water bath if you're feeling too overwhelmed, or too if you feel too sulky in your heart.
Mm-hmm.
Help you, do a little meditation as well, if it will help you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would do that.
And let the thoughts just pass, just like the traffic that you were passing through right now.
True. True. I would do that. That's the new takeaway from me, for me from you. So yeah, I would just, as you said, if you focus too much during the meditation session, also it would be really, you'll be getting headache and all that stuff. But if you take it in a very generalized and a subtle way, I think the soul knows, or our heart knows how to, stay focused.
Yes.
So that shouldn't be a pressurizing task too. Yeah, got
Wonderful.
it. Thank
Wonderful.
you so much, Karishma.
God bless you. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
yeah. Same to you,
Thank you,
darling.
Renu, for joining. You joined in very late, but we have just completed this session today. But I would love for you to join in tomorrow, because कल हम बात करने वाले हैं the power of words. How words influence your emotions, and you know how they influence, right? So it is going to be a very, very अच्छे वाला session. So please join in time and have a wonderful day. Thank you yet for joining in. God bless you. Much love and energy and healing vibes to each one.
Thank you so much. Same
Thank
to you,
you.
dear. Bye bye.
Bye bye.